Namaskar dosto. Today is 28th Jan 2021. What an exciting phase of the market we are in. At one side, market are crashing, and today we had one exciting day where we had a gap down opening, and then market consolidated till 11 o'clock. And as soon as the global market started opening, we seen a massive sell off. Then market took a support at S2, and then we seen a one bar taking almost last 1 hour, 1 hour's drop and coming back to the consolidation zone and eventually closing almost at the same level and making a doji. Is this a time when market is gonna reverse? What's happening? So first let me review my trade, what I did today, and share my learning with you. So as our trade plan, the idea was to either take 15-minute breakout or sell on rise. Market had a gap down, so I first took my two lot entry here, and then on this green bar I added my positions. Then I hold my position for the entire almost till 11, ride this entire bar, and as per my training stop loss strategy for yesterday, I maintained my stop loss just above this 8 day, but I physically did not change it. So when this 15-minute bar came in, I exited here. I made a mistake when I placed an order of exit. Instead of selling, I bought, so my quantities became double, and then I have to move it back. So quite an exciting day. Again, I missed a big opportunity of profit, and I couldn't book my profit, and almost had a negative day because of wrong entry of order. So what's the learning? Learning is I'm still not able to figure it out my trading stop loss strategy. So learning is that for my trailing stop loss now, what I will do is till 1 o'clock, I will carry my position at break even. After 1 o'clock, I will move to 5 minute chart and trail my stop loss on 8 bar average on 5 minute chart till any green bar cuts it and takes me out. So that's going to be my trailing stop loss strategy. Do comment, tell me what do you think about it. If you like my trailing stop loss strategy, then please like this idea. Now let's see, uh, if you want to know my MTM position, then please be with me till the end of the video. Now let's see what we have in store. So what happened during this green bar? I guess during this green bar, this news came out that cabinet cleared policy on PSU privatization ahead of union budget. And because of this news, bank nifty started showing up. From morning only, bank nifty was open gap down, and it went above this strong support of 29,862, and then this support started acting as a resistance, and then eventually, because of this news, bank nifty started moving up, and that's where this green bar came in. So now we need to see how much power this news has, whether this is just a small rally through which market is going to correct again, or this one news will save our market. So for tomorrow, when we see on daily chart, we have a perfect doji here, but this doji does not mean that market is going to reverse. uh, Market is closed on daily basis below 20, below 8, just above 50, and taken a strong support at 29,690. This is a very strong support which will not get out on one hit. So on daily basis, the trend is downward. On 15-minute chart, Nifty has closed just above 20, above 8, below 50, and below 200. So on 15-minute chart, Nifty is showing slight uptrend. And on weekly basis, Nifty is definitely an uptrend. When we look into dollar, dollar has started correcting, which is a good sign for emerging market. Global market SPX is almost 1.42 point almost 2% up, and almost all of the global market are in positive. Now tomorrow Singapore Nifty is already currently at 13996. So somewhere here. These two are magical lines, and this is also R2 for tomorrow. So for tomorrow, my trade plan is 15-minute breakout. On 15-minute breakout, I will see if the market is going up, then I will take that trade. On 15-minute background, if market is going down, then I will take that trade. So I will bet for 13,800 PE or 14,200 CE. My gut feeling is that that market will come down. So, but we have to see. We are not here to predict the market. We just need to understand the price action and take a right entry where you want to go. Now, when we look into Bank Nifty on daily chart has taken a support today at 29,862, which is a monthly Camarilla support, and shown a very strong green bar because of this news. Now, but still it is below 20, below 8 and below 50. So daily it is in downtrend. On 15-minute chart, it has closed just above 50, fairly above 8 and above 20. So here it is in uptrend, but it faces a very strong resistance at 30,604, which is also R1 for tomorrow. So let's see where the Bank Nifty opens tomorrow. If the Bank Nifty opens above 30,600, then this area will act as a strong support, and then Bank Nifty will move up. Or Bank Nifty will open somewhere here in the zone of 30,600, then there is a very good chance that Bank Nifty will come down to uh, 29,800 zone. So for tomorrow, again for Bank Nifty, my strategy is 15-minute breakout depending upon where it is opening. Uh, so 15-minute breakout, and the low of the 15-minute will be my stop loss, which I will carry till 1 o'clock. And after 1 o'clock on 5-minute chart, I will have a 8 bar moving average as my trailing stop loss. So tomorrow is very critical day. We need to see whether this one news and can turn the market around. I don't think so. So let's see. I hope this discussion has added value to your trading setup and trade idea for tomorrow. If you think so, then please share, like, and subscribe to my channel. On TradingView, I have touched 97 subscriber. We just need more 3 subscriber to make it 100. And once I make 100 subscribe on TradingView, I'll make a special video where I will summarize my January month all learnings. So thank you very much for your love. Uh, Please share, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Stay healthy, and Jai Hind.